Here I have POCO M5, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera watermark on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, tap on three stripes here, go to its settings, and then go to the watermark. So you can add timestamp on photos and also device watermark. So now let's take a picture just for an example. And as you can see, here I have POCO M5 watermark, and here I have timestamp. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.